Thank you for joining this quick screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe. In this video, we're going to learn how to uninstall a package by removing component dependencies. You can remove any installed package, including all its components and all data in the package. Any custom fields, links, or anything else you added to the custom app after installation are also removed. It is common that components are built around a package and dependencies are created on the package itself. When uninstalling a package, an error may appear that there are dependencies that need to be removed. Log into the org, click on the gear icon, click Setup, and type Install in the Quick Find box. Click Installed Packages. Locate the package and click on the Uninstall link next to it. A list of the package components will appear. Scroll down, and it is a best practice to select Save a copy of this package data. Select Yes that you want to delete the package and components. Click Uninstall. The next page will show the problems with uninstalling the package. This will show the component type, name of the component, and details of the problem. The first problem shows a custom field is referencing an object that is part of the package. Click on the field shown under the problem column by opening the link as a new tab. The field was created on a custom object named ChangedSet, but has a lookup relationship to an object that is part of the package. The only solution is to delete the field. Make sure the data is saved for this field for reference. Click the object name, click Fields and Relationships, locate the work field, and click on the drop-down to the right and select Delete. Review the dialog box and click Delete. On the same page, click the Deleted Fields button and click the Erase button next to the field. Review the dialog box, select Yes, and click Delete. Go back to the uninstalled page with problems. The second problem is that there are users assigned to a permission set that is part of the package. Click the permission set under the Name column by opening the link in a new tab. Click Managed Assignments. Select the user by clicking on the checkbox and click Remove Assignments. If there are more users, then select All Users. Review the dialog box, click OK, click Done. Let's go back to the uninstalled page with problems. The third problem is showing a managed custom field is being used in the org. This type of problem usually indicates a workflow is using the field. Click the custom field under the name column by opening the link in a new tab. The field detail page appears. Locate the object it's associated with. This is associated to the work object. Click the Home tab, type Workflow in the Quick Find box, and click Workflow Rules. Locate any workflows on the work object. In this org, there is a rule name, Work Rule, that's associated to the work object. Click on the workflow rule name. Notice that the field Number of Cases is part of the package by its namespace. Before making any changes, make sure you have consulted with your colleagues. In this screencast, my colleagues have agreed and I will click on Deactivate. Sometimes it's best to remove the field reference, and that should solve the problem. In this screencast, I will delete it since the workflow is not needed. I'll click Delete, review the dialog box, and click OK. Go back to the uninstalled page with the list of problems. Refresh the page, and the list of package components will appear again. Scroll down, select to save a copy of the data, select Yes, and click on Uninstall. The uninstall process will not show any problems, and it should take 5 minutes to an hour to finish, depending on how big the package is. Please keep in mind that in order to follow these steps, you'll need system administrator permissions. If you're interested in removing a package and do not have those permissions, please contact your system administrator for assistance. Also, please consult these changes with your extended team, since it might affect areas of their work in the org. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.